In Chapter 6, we return to further detail about the Hebrew noun. We will first look at two different classes of Hebrew nouns, what are called segolate and geminate nouns. In Section 1, we approach the segolate nouns. Segolate nouns are two-syllable Hebrew nouns that have their accent on the first syllable. For instance, you already know from your vocabulary Eretz in Chapter 1. This is a segolate noun. In their current forms, these segolate nouns are dominated mainly by the vowels segol, hence the name segolate, and sometimes the short vowel patach. There are a few other vowels that you will find in segolate nouns. So the definition is still that they are two-syllable nouns with the accent on the first syllable. But those vowels will most commonly be segol or maybe patach. As we go further in the grammar, it will be important for you to know that what we call segolate nouns did not originate in the form they exist now. For instance, the Hebrew segolate noun melech, which glosses as king, originally probably was pronounced malk. In fact, if you look, for instance, at the chart in section 6.1, you find that there are in fact three different vowel classes of segolates. If we compare the singular and dual forms of the words for foot, knee, and ear, you see that regel forms its plural as raglayim with an A-class vowel. Berek, knee, forms its plural birkayim, its dual, birkayim with an I-class vowel in the beginning. And ozen, ear, forms its plural oznayim with an O-class vowel. Note that this is a kametz hatuf. Later in the grammar, it will be important to recognize that these three different classes of segolates exist. For now, just be aware that segolate nouns hide three different vowel patterns, which may become apparent in the dual, the plural, or other forms of the noun.